Welcome. In this video, we will talk about mobile first indexing, what it means, why Google introduced it, and how it affects your website's SEO. Mobile first indexing means Google primarily uses the mobile version of your website for ranking and indexing instead of the desktop version. More than 60% of searches happens on mobile. Google wants to ensure users see results optimized for their devices. So mobile first indexing became the standard. Googlebot primarily crawls the mobile version of your site. If your mobile version has less content than desktop, that is what will be indexed, and rankings may drop. This means SEO success now depends heavily on mobile optimization. Poor mobile design can affect rankings even if your desktop site looks perfect. For mobile first indexing, make sure content is the same on mobile and desktop. Metadata matches both versions. Images and alt text are optimized for mobile. Google recommends responsive design, a single site that adapts to all screen sizes. It ensures consistency between mobile and desktop. Avoid hiding content on mobile, blocking CSS or JavaScript, or using intrusive pop-ups. These mistakes can hurt both usability and rankings. Use tools like Google Search Console, Mobile Usability Report, Lighthouse, and Page Speed Insights to check how mobile friendly your site is. To recap, mobile first indexing means Google uses the mobile version for indexing and ranking. Ensure your site is responsive, consistent, and user friendly on all devices. Thanks for watching. Optimize your site for mobile today to stay ahead in rankings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.